Hey friends, it's me. I have a special activity planned for us today that I needed 2 helpers for. Helpers, can you introduce yourself?
I'm Luke Langoni. I'm 9 years old in 3rd grade, and I also hope you have a Merry Christmas, Hanukkah, or Kwanzaa. Whichever one you celebrate, have a great one.
I'm Reese, and I'm 5.5 years old, and I hope you have a good Kwanzaa or Hanukkah or Christmas.
Great. Okay, so what we're going to be doing today is we're going to make
Gingerbread Man! Something yummy to eat.
Maybe not to eat, but anyways, so you have a choice today. You can draw me a gingerbread man, a gingerbread girl, a gingerbread cowboy, or a gingerbread man. So whatever you pick, we're going to start the same way. So I'm going to use a brown marker to start, but really you can do whatever you want because it's your gingerbread man. So I'm going to draw mine on the wall here. Luke Langoni and Reese Langoni are going to draw theirs on paper. Okay, so whatever you want to make, gingerbread girl, cowboy, gingerbread man, we're all going to start the same way. All right, so here's my brown marker. You guys ready?
Yep.
Right here.
Ready, steady, go.
Okay, so watch me. Why don't you back up just a little bit, Reese? I'm going to start with the head, and I'm going to make it kind of like a rainbow shape. A rainbow's kind of like this, but I'm going to kind of curve it in a little bit so it's a little, almost like a circle, but not quite closed. All right, so here I go. It's like I'm making a circle, but I'm going to stop right there. Okay? Give that a try, guys. While you're doing that, I'm going to keep going and make the body. Okay? So you guys can turn around after you do that. All right, then from there, I'm going to make an arm like this. I'm going to swing it out and make an arm. Yep. And on this side, I'll do the same thing. Another arm. Looks like something weird so far. Then I'm going to come down here, excuse me, and just do 2 loops like this. 1 and 2 for the legs. See? All right. So then, whatever color you want, you can choose for the eyes. Okay? I'll go with green. Sure. I'm going to make 2 green little eyes. Remember, the gingerbread man was made of candy, so really you could decorate him however you want. How are you guys doing?
Pretty good. I flipped the page over because I didn't really like the look of mine. You always have the back of the page. That's what my art teacher tells me. You'll have art class when you make it to elementary school.
Okay. All right, so let's see. I'm going to keep going. I like to always use a red nose just because I think it's so cute. I like to make the nose a little bigger than the eyes, just to make him look silly. And then you can make a mouth however you want. You could make it like a smiley, or you could make it little dots like they were little raisin candies. Whatever you want. I'll make mine like they're little candies like this, but you can do it however you want because it is yours. Okay? And last I'll make him some buttons. The gingerbread characters always had buttons. Okay. You don't have to do buttons. You don't have to do buttons. Okay? Alright, so there I have a gingerbread man. Now, if I want to change it up and make it the gingerbread girl, here's some things I could add. Here, I made a gingerbread girl right here. Oh, here, I'll come a little closer. For the gingerbread girl, I added red hair, crazy red hair, just like in the story. And I gave her little purple pants. Right? But if you want to do the gingerbread girl, do it however you want. Use whatever you want. So I'll try to tape that one up on the wall so you can get a good look at all of them. Let's make sure that's not too high. All right, there's the gingerbread girl. Okay. All right, for a gingerbread cowboy, all you have to add is a cowboy hat. And that's my cowboy hat. It came out kind of silly. But there he is. I added a cool cowboy hat. Here we go. I'll tape him. I'll stick him over here. Good, you can see. And then for the gingerbread man, I added a, I don't even know what you call this in karate, but it's kind of like a sash and a belt. And then the headband around his head. That's my gingerbread man. Pretty cool, huh? I'll tape him up. It looks like Luke Langoni and Reese Langoni are adding their old things too. You don't have to copy mine exactly. You can make yours however you want. You don't even have to make one of these from the story. You could make it however you want. How are you guys doing? You ready to share?
Not yet. I'm still working on mine.
Okay, maybe finish up so the kids can get a little look. I see Luke is making the Gingerbread Man. Oh, and Reese
Hey,
is
no
making...
spoiler
Oh,
alerts.
sorry. And Reese is making the Gingerbread Man too. Ooh, Reese. Pretty cool. Nice job. Oh, Luke's has a sword. All right, finish up, guys, so that the kids can see yours. I want to show them before we end our video.
Although the sword looks kind of like a baseball bat.
Drawing is so fun. Sometimes things don't always come out how we plan, but it's still awesome. Art is awesome.
Yeah, now I got a baseball gingerbread man.
That, oh my gosh.
A ninja playing baseball.
I should write
Can you
that
imagine
book.
that?
The Gingerbread Baseball Player. I should make that book, don't you think?
Wait, I'm gonna switch him into a baseball player.
Oh my gosh. I can't wait to see what you guys make. I'd love to see if you draw a gingerbread girl or boy or cowboy or gingerbread or baseball player or princess or wizard or superhero. Whatever you draw, I'd love if you send me a picture.
Wait,
That would be
A
awesome.
with a gingerbread man, that would be awesome.
That would be cool. Oh, there's so many ideas. We could draw all night probably and come up with ideas.
Well, my gingerbread man is on the black team. Well, for Little League, I was on a team that was black called the Rockies. So they're actually a real Major League team. I have some baseball cards of that team. And this guy is on that team.
Okay.
He's a Little Leaguer who's up at bat.
Why don't you guys show what you have so far, and then we can pause while you guys finish drawing, and then we'll show the kids what it looks like at the end.
I
Baseball
actually
pants
finished
are
mine.
Oh,
white.
perfect. All right, Reese finished his. Tell them what you drew, Reese.
A gingerbread man.
Let's back it up a little bit. A Gingerbread Man. Whoa, so cool. See how they all look different? Like Reese's looks so different than mine because we're two different people. We're two different artists. And I bet that Luke's is going to look different too. Can we see yours, Luke?
It's not done yet, but
Let's
this
see
is what I've got so
Let's
far.
see what we have so far. Oh my gosh, the gingerbread baseball player. So cool. All right, this is what I'm going to do, Luke. I'm going to pause the video and then we'll start it up again as soon as you're finished. All right, stand by. Okay, Luke Langoni has finished his baseball player gingerbread. Let's see it, Luke.
Ta-da!
Wow.
It says home run.
Wow, that came out awesome. And Reese Langoni put a couple more touches on his, there we go, on his Gingerbread Man and wrote his name.
Actually, just one.
Just one little touch. He added that red on the top. Well, these came out awesome, and I can't wait to see yours. I know that all of ours are going to look different, so I'm hoping that you can send me a picture so we can share with all of our friends and show them all of our gingerbread people. All right, friends. See you soon. Say
Hope your
bye, guys.
gingerbread people are so cute. I got a feeling they're gonna be really good. Bye.
I wonder
Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, and Happy Kwanzaa.
I wonder which gingerbread man yours is gonna be.
We'll find out. I'll be sure to show Luke Langoni and Reese Langoni all your pictures you send me. Bye, friends.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, everyone. See you next video. If we're in another,
I hope
hopefully we will.
Okay.
I hope you have a good Christmas or a good Kwanzaa or a good Hanukkah.
Awesome. All right. Bye for real this time. Bye.
Bye.